Beach cottage feel with a pool-sized yard and canyon views. Welcome to 3 Corte la Cereza. Instantly, you'll get a welcoming sense of home from the front formal living spaces to the tranquil fountain in the courtyard. One of the best features of this house is how much natural light pours into the entire floor plan, but especially here in the main living and kitchen areas. This open floor plan has been updated to on-trend colors with a center island and an eat-in kitchen. The family room with fireplace and built-ins opens up to a great backyard. Here you can easily entertain in the pie-shaped lot overlooking the open green space and enjoy the built-in barbecue and fire pit while in San Clemente's perfect climate. This Talega floor plan includes a useful downstairs bedroom with full bath, upstairs a large master suite, 2 secondary bedrooms, full bath, laundry room, and bonus homework or workout area. With about 2,500 square feet, this 4-bedroom home is ready for you to join the culdesac of Talega owners who love this area for its resort-style amenities, award-winning schools, and world-famous beaches. To schedule a showing in person of this great Talega home, contact me at 949-412-6551. I'm Kelly LeClaire with Pacific Sotheby's International Realty. Thank you for watching.